Hey guys, welcome to my channel Success Sequence where we daily analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected levels for the next day. So in my previous video I did mention that the market is trading below its 34 days exponential moving average. Market has to trade above its 34 days exponential moving average as well as has to hold and trade above its crucial resistance level, which is 9930. And if at all it trades above that level, you can definitely expect the levels that I suggested in my previous video. So as you can see guys, market did try to break above that level, and as you can see market did got all the levels that I mentioned in my previous video that we should be expecting if market trades above 9930. But at the end of the day, market is now back below the crucial level, which is 9930, and market is now trading at 9929.90. Can you believe that? Only 10 points away from the crucial level of 9930. That is the importance of the level. And as you can see, the level has been confirmed resistance for the market for the quite a long period of time. So what we can do now and how to trade the market further, we'll discuss all that in a bit. So let us first analyze the option activity range. So for the Nifty, I can see that 9700 to 10,000 is the option activity range. Downside 200 points, upside 100 points. Now let's see and analyze what are these points are suggesting. So first thing first, we'll start with the call. And so as I can see, there is a formation of a fresh bullish position at levels of 9900 to 10,000 as well as 9800 and 9700. Talking about the change in open interest in the absolute numbers, I don't see any significant increase in the change in open interest as far as fresh bullish position is concerned. However, the move is suggesting that the market participants are expecting some sort of high levels. At least till the 10,000, I can see a highest change in open interest has taken place. Further, there are two levels where call short covering has taken place, which is also something that is suggesting a bullish position, that is 9750 and 9850. Put side, as I can see that put is returned continuously, and the put long is covered at a strike price of 9750 and 9850. All other level has witnessed put writing at a mid to lower volume. So maximum change in open interest as far as put writing has taken place at a level of 9900. So 9900 is also near the spot. So market participants are expecting the market to trade above this level. As you can see now, the market is trading above is 34 days exponential moving average. So what you can do is you can wait for the red line, which is 8 days exponential moving average, to trade and cross the 34 days exponential moving average on the above side. If that happens, we will see that the 34 days exponential moving average will act as a support, and any side you can see the market will go is upside. And what the level you can expect is first you can expect a 9950 level. If at all market trades above 9930, then you can again try and aim for 9970. If 99750 9975 holds, 9980 will be a crucial support for the market to hold, and 990 if holds, you can definitely go long with a stop loss of 9980. If market trades on a downside, the resistance will be 9896. So 9896 is a it's a 21 days exponential moving average. It breaks below that level, the first support will be 9880. If it breaks that level, you can definitely expect some sort of lower level at a 9870, and if that also breaks, you can witness a level of 9858 or 9860. However, 9860 is also a strong support, like, and 9930 is a strong resistance. So that was my analysis and labels for the today's trading session. And now let's quickly see and find out what is the important indicators are suggesting. So as you can see, volatility is going below. So if you have sold call option at a high level, you definitely would have made some money, or for that matter put option at a lower level, you can definitely also would have made money. Further, as I can see, MACD is now trading at a positive zone, however declining, because the market has not been able to sustain at a high level. So that is something we should not worry about. Unless an LT MACD trades in the negative zone, that is something we should worry about. RSI is in a trading in a breakout zone. So RSI, if trades above 55, for which we are waiting for quite a time now. So if it trades above 55, you can definitely go long, provided 9930 is also being held, and also the levels at a higher higher levels which I suggested. So let's quickly see and try and analyze what the weekly charts are suggesting. So as you can see, the white line, which is 8 days exponential moving average, is now acting as a support, and maximum up move you can see is 9980. That is the reason I mentioned that the 9980 is a level where the is a level that is the maximum you should expect. If you witness any sort of breakout above 9980 level, first you can witness 10,016, and above that you can find some sort of resistance as a 10,013. If that level holds, market will straight away go to 10,070. That is my expectation, and that is also the psychology of the market participants, as I can read from the candlestick data. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let's go and quickly find out what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. First thing first, option activity range is suggesting 24,200 to 24,500 kind of move. 200 points on upside, 100 points on downside. So let us see what this small moves is suggesting. So call on a call side, I can see that 24,400 is again call writing has taken place, 24,500 again call writing has taken place. So I also mentioned in my previous video that if at all you see any sort of movement between these two lines, that is purple line and white, the sky line, you can definitely expect a range bound market. Unless and until the range breaks out, you can definitely expect some sort of move to continue. So even if you have traded for the range break, here you can see 24,290 was a level where the range breakout happened. You could have easily made some sort of move till 24,280, which also I mentioned in my previous video, and that is also getting tallied with the previous lows of the previous close of the candlestick. So that is my analysis which I already shared with you guys. Now let's see and try to find out what is the level you should expect for the tomorrow, and how to trade considering the various levels that we should look for. So as I said, call participants are definitely writing the 24,400 strike prices, because they are expecting the market to trade below its 34 days exponential moving average. So at a lower level also I can see 24,200, 24,300 strike prices call long has been covered. So that is something that is suggesting a bearish market for the Bank Nifty. For the put participants, I can see that put writing has taken place all over the place. Put long has covered at a level of 24,400, 24,500. So that is something I am worried about for the Bank Nifty. One side market participants are expecting a bearish move, and other side market participants are expecting a bullish move. So Bank Nifty is very difficult to predict, and as I have been saying time and again, do not trade in a Bank Nifty because it's very lucrative. Lot size is very low, but even if you get a bit wrong move, you will definitely end up losing a lot of money. That was my advice to my subscribers and to my clients, that do not trade Bank Nifty unless you are very much sure. So that was the reason I am not giving any particular labels for the Bank Nifty, because see, Bank Nifty is something that has to trade above 34 days expansion moving average to see any sort of gains to come. At a lower level, what is the problem is, at a lower level market every time market goes lower, it is coming up. So 24,240, as I said in my previous video, is important support. So if you see any sort of down move being rejected by at a this strike price, you can definitely go long. But the problem is, at that time the white line is trading quite nearby, so you will not get any kind of good gain or a big move. So that is the reason I am not suggesting my subscriber, particularly on WhatsApp, to trade and for the Bank Nifty or Nifty as well, unless and until we get a clear cut message. Nifty also is not able to hold to 9930 level, which is very crucial for the market to continue its upward journey. So if you want to join my WhatsApp broadcast, you can definitely WhatsApp me on 9574399901. What you can get is daily report on Nifty and Bank Nifty with all the strike prices and activity happening at all the strike prices, include considering the option activity range. Apart from that, I do not disturb my subscriber at all, and I only suggest labels when I find that these labels are supposed to hold. So I say, I message like go long, go short. So you can definitely watch my video and trend, but if you want an early update near the market closing or at near opening, you can definitely try and join my WhatsApp broadcast. So that was my analysis for Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you guys like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family, and as always, if you have any doubt, please mention in the comment section of the video. Thank you very much.